swarming. I'm out the swamp, dog, meaning I'm at my best when it's storming.
He was like, hi. Say hi to the camera over there, just far away.
Say, what up, squad?
What up, squad?
And hello to everybody just passing through.
Yeah, but this ceiling fan's cool.
Alright, guys. We're back with the indoor turtle pond. Look how massive that monster is sitting up there where the 55-gallon used to be. Now, I've already decided this is not going to be the permanent location. So, getting my carpets redone here soon. And when we redo the carpets, we're going to be doing some rearranging in general. But, let's carry on and let's get this thing going, alright? In the last video in the series, we got this monster built. Now we're looking at approximately 57 gallons of water going in here and this end, and we're about to put some sand in here. So to start out, we're going to get our sand going in here, get this side all nice and tight. I've already got the filter sitting there, got this gutter thing that I use to make a waterfall, and we're just going to get cracking away on this sand. Just cut that open. Now, before we go pouring a whole bunch on though, let's make sure this is nice and tight. More concerned about it tight this way. The basin was made for the sand. Just having this liner over it makes a little extra caution. Alright. I'll start with about half the bag. Might as well take my socks off for this. It's like playing at the beach, y'all. This thing's massive, okay? I am literally standing in it right now. Now we're just gonna spread the sand around. Just give them a nice sand bed. Wow, that's actually about perfect. So there's the sand there. Now we're going to take the rest and just, it's going to end up getting poured all out in here. Probably the whole other bag will go in here also. So check back in a little while. You can see we got all the sand in. We've added some rocks. I'm about to bring in some of the sand from the other tank. That's already got some bacteria in it. Get that in here. And then we're going to start filling her up with water, y'all. So we'll come back when the water's almost full. Turtle's going in. Bail. What do you think, guys? It's a little dirty yet, but give it a couple hours and it should be pretty clear once everything settles. Alright, we'll come back and check on them in a couple hours. Okay, so I said, give me a couple hours and we'll be back, but it's kind of been a couple days. Yeah, as you see, crystal clear water. Once all that sand settled, liner's holding, no leaks. I enjoy the sand area. Here's a little waterfall that I made. Little plant area. It's really, man, just appreciate this from afar. That's really the best. Now granted, you can't really see these plants too well, but without the camera's eye, they do kind of pop through. They kind of look like butterflies flying in the sun. They're doing pretty good so far. I'm going to have to keep an eye on these until we get it moved down, because obviously they're a tall plant. And find themselves in the ceiling. Clover is absolutely loving the sunlight. All nice and perked up. Grass. Things I've already figured out. Either these slats gotta go and get plexiglass put over them, or they gotta come out completely and maybe put plexiglass in there, because as you can see,
turtles are making a horrible mess, throwing sand everywhere. I don't know how that didn't occur that that was going to happen, but somehow that went over my head. But realistically, so far, that is the only complaint I have about this. I am 100% pleased with how this came out. For never really messing with anything like this. It's our first pond build, our first tank build, whatever you really want to call it. And like I said, completely happy with it. Probably could make a couple different modifications to it if I were to ever build another one. But for what it is and what the initial design plans were, I'm completely happy with it. So this will probably be it for now. We'll probably come back when we go to wrap this thing and kind of finish the build aspect of it. And I'm also going to replace this fish tank style filter with a bog filter, so we'll do a video on building that. Probably gonna end up adding some more sand, maybe some soil to this end. Want to try and do more plant life on it. I'm really liking the look of plants indoor with the fish tanks. But not gonna keep you guys much longer. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really hope you guys are enjoying this video, that you're enjoying the series. If you are, please leave us a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, join the Swamp Squad. Hit that subscribe button. Click that bell notification. Don't miss the rest of these videos. Don't miss the other cool fish videos we got coming up. We got some cool motorsports videos planned. You know how we do. We like to keep it changed up. We like to have fun. So, until next time, guys. I'm out. Peace.
Sleeping on my city, we lyrical by committee. The swamp is stomping them, you know one drama, I mean not any.